Well, Flossie's here again today with homemade Koose, Koose, Koose. Why don't you give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Subscribe. Mm, 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 mm. So with this recipe, I soaked my black eyed pea in water for about 3 hours, just to make it soft to be able to peel easily. I have my red bell pepper right here, cleaned, and I have one small red onion. You can use any onion of your choice. I also chopped half of the red onion just to put in the mixture, the batter. I also decided to use some green onions, so this gives it a good flavor, and I want that in my Koose, so I use that as well. I have here 2 small eggs. You can use one if you want to. If your egg is a jumbo, you can use that as well. But these are the ingredients I am using for this Koose, for this recipe. So I'm trying to peel this off. It was really difficult. I tried, it was taking forever. But then if you do this, it's easy. You can get it off. It depends on how fast you are or how quick you want it. But after a while, I got tired of it. I couldn't do that anymore. I kept trying and trying and trying. So I decided to put it in the blender and chop it a little bit, break it into pieces, and then that is when I decided to take my time and then peel it off. So this is what I am doing right now. I'll be taking my time to peel it off because it's much smaller now. Now here we go. This is all cleaned off. Smaller pieces, but clean. Everything is taken off. It took a while, but I got the job done. Now I'm going to blend my paste. I have my habanero, my red pepper, and my onions. I'm going to blend it all together with the beans. And I don't want it to make it very smooth. Watch the water you use to. It can be very watery depending on how you want it, but it shouldn't be watery. It shouldn't be very thick. It should be in between. That's how I want mine. So all done, I whisk it. I'm going to add the eggs and I'm going to mix it all together. And here I did add some salt to taste as well. Here I'm adding my onions. It depends on what you want in your Koose. I'm adding my onions and I'm adding my green onions as well. But like I said, I added salt. Make sure you taste it. I don't really use much salt. So depend on your taste, how much salt you want. But just use a little bit. Now we'll be using this on medium heat. And so here I have my vegetable oil. You don't want it too hot because it could burn easily. Here, the scoop. The oil is medium, under medium heat, and so that's how we're gonna fry through with. The smell, it already smells like Koose. I just can't wait for it to be ready. So this was a special request from a loved one, and so I did it. I think this is the second time of me doing it, so kudos to me. I tried. So I'll say take your time whilst frying this Koose because you don't want it to be in a rush. It's gonna burn. Inside it's not gonna be cooked. So medium heat, and gradually you keep turning them. So one side also gets to cook. If you don't take care, the other side is gonna burn, and the top part wouldn't, and inside wouldn't be cooked. It's just a slow process, but then you will get it done. It smells so good already. Hmm. My Kosi is all done. It looks yummy. It looks beautiful. Ooh, smells so good. Wow. I hope you try this at home and give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And give me feedback. Tell me what I'm doing wrong and let me improve on it. I'm learning. I learn every day. Oops. I got it. Kosa is all done. It looks beautiful. It smells good. It tastes good. Kosa. So I got my tester to try it, and see the inside. Yep, this is what I'm talking about. Kosa is done. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.